Hello. So, question 14. What does it say? Question 14 says, Lakshmi is a cashier in a bank and she has a currency notes of denominations rupees 100, rupees 50 and rupees 10 respectively. The ratio of the number of these notes is 2:3:5. The total cash with Lakshmi is rupees 4 lakhs. How many notes of each denomination does the bank have? Does she have? Okay. So, what are we given? The ratio between the number of notes of denominations rupees 100, 50 and 10. You understand what denomination is, right? Denomination is the note, the amount of the money which a note signifies. It could be rupees 5, rupees 2, it could be anything. It could be 2000, 1000. So what do we have currently in India? The biggest note is rupees 2000. Okay. So, coming back to this question. What does it say? Lakshmi's bank has got rupees 100 notes, rupees 50 notes, rupees 10 notes, but in what ratios? 2:3:5. So, what will be the number of notes of each denomination? Let the number of rupees 100 notes be 2x. The number of notes of rupees 50 will be 3x. And number of notes of rupees 10 will be 5x. One more thing is given to us. We are also given that the total amount that the bank has is rupees 4 lakhs. Now how do I relate it with the number of notes? Again, pretty simple. Let's say you have 5 10 rupee notes. Okay. If you have 5 10 rupees notes, can you tell me what is the total amount of money you have? Very simple. 5 into 5. Where 5 is the number of notes and 5 is the denomination. Okay, this might get a little confusing because 5 into 5, let me do it the other way around. Let me take some other numbers. Let's say you've got 5 2000 rupees notes. Okay. How many? So I want to know how much total amount I have. So I have 5, how many notes? What denomination? 2000 denomination. 5 notes of rupees 2000 each. So what is the total amount I have? 10,000 rupees. So how do I find out the amount I have from the number of notes? Simply multiply the number of notes with the denomination. Right? So that is what we are going to do here. We are told, we have been given the total amount is rupees 4 lakhs. And we are also given the number of notes in terms of ratios though, which we have found out and which we have converted into the real number of notes. So, what will be the total amount of, if I multiply 2x with 100, what should you get? As I just told you right now here, 5 into 2000, you get the amount of money that 5 notes of 2000 leads us to. So if I do 2x plus into 100, what will I get? The total amount which 2x notes of rupees 100 each will contribute to. Right? So let me just write it like this. Total amount of denomination of rupees 100 will be 2x into 100, which will be 200x. Correct? Right? Right? So what will be the total amount that 3x notes of 50 rupees each will amount to? Total amount of denomination of 50 each will be 3x into 50, which will be rupees 150x. Correct? Total amount of denomination of rupees 10 will be equal to 5x into 10 is equal to rupees 50x. So what is the total amount that we have? From 100 rupees, if you count all the 100 rupee notes which are 2x in number, the total amount you'll get is 200x rupees. What will the total amount that you get when you count rupees 50 each, which are 3x in number? You'll get 150x rupees. Similarly, if you count 10 rupees notes which are 5x in number, you'll get rupees 50x. Now, if you just add all three amounts, rupees 200x plus 150x plus 50x, all these amounts together sum up to rupees 4 lakhs. Okay? So that is what my equation is, and that's what I'm going to write here. So what do I get? 200x plus 150x plus 50x is equal to 4 lakhs. Okay? I'll repeat. What do I have? When I add all the amounts, individual amounts of rupees 100, 50 and 10 as 200x plus 150x plus 50x. What is the total amount the bank has? 4 lakhs. So this is what my new equation is, and all I need to do is solve it. So what does it become? 400x is equal to 4 lakhs. So what do I get here? 400x is equal to 4 lakhs. That is, x is equal to 1000. What is x? 1000. So if I have x with me and I know the ratios of the currency notes, of the various currency notes, I can simply find their numbers. Because what was it? They were given in 2:3:5, remember? So total number of rupees 100 notes will be 2 into 1000 is 2000. Number of 50 notes, 50 rupee notes will be 3x, that is 3000. Number of 10 rupee notes will be 5x, that is 5000. Okay? So what do we have? The denominations of 150 and 10 rupee note is 2000, 3000 and 5000. This is what you have. Okay?